Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As long as you have entered vehicle mileage, marked it as billable, and assigned it to a customer job, you can invoice the customer job to collect the mileage. To do this, create an invoice by selecting Customers Create Invoices from the menu bar. Then use the Customer Job drop-down to select the customer job to which you have assigned billable mileage. When you do this, QuickBooks will then display the Billable Time and Costs window. To bill the mileage, click the Select the Outstanding Billable Time and Costs to add to this invoice option button, and click the OK button to continue and open the Choose Billable Time and Costs window. Even if you choose not to bill the mileage costs at this moment, you can open the invoice later and then click the Add Time and Costs button that appears within the main tab of the ribbon at the top of the invoice to open the same Choose Billable Time and Costs window. In the Choose Billable Time and Costs window, click the Mileage tab to display the billable mileage recorded for the selected customer job. Select the mileage to bill to the customer by clicking the leftmost column next to each line item to mark it with a check mark. To choose how QuickBooks will import the data into the invoice, click the Options button in the upper right corner of the tab to open the Options for Transferring Billable Mileage dialog box, and select the Desired Option button to indicate how you want the mileage data to be imported. Then click the OK button to set your desired preference and return to the Mileage tab. You can check the Print Selected Time and Costs as one invoice item checkbox to add all of the selected billable time and costs to the invoice as a single item if needed. After you have checked the billable mileage, then click the OK button to add it to the invoice. Complete the invoice as you normally would, and save the invoice by clicking either the Save and Close or Save and New button within the Create Invoices window when you are finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.